Got a 05 here, NPR. This is a 5.2 engine. We're going into limp mode. We're throwing a couple of codes, the p0093 and the p0087. So you drive the vehicle, it goes into limp mode. You have absolutely no throttle when you push on the gas. And then you can shut it off. You can wait about 3 to 5 seconds, start it up, and you can go again. But then eventually a limp mode again. So here's what you want to do. The first thing you want to do is disconnect this return line right here. And when you disconnect it, watch the fuel coming out of it. If a whole bunch of fuel comes out of it, here's what we did. We disconnected the return line rail here, and now I'm going to fire it up and we're going to show you what it looks like to have a bad injector. The injector is going to push all the fuel back to the tank. So here we'll start it. So the problem here is this number 3 injector is pushing too much fuel back to the tank. So the injector is opening up. So I hope this video helps you out. If you need to know how to get these injectors, I'll put a link in the description below. Please click like, please click subscribe, click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos. And as always, guys, enjoy.